been a while. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to ATV. I'm back. So you're probably wondering right now, ATV, where have you been? Well, I'll tell you. You see, I lost internet for a whole week. Yeah, legit. I was about to lose my damn mind. So to make up for not really making any videos for the past week, I'm gonna make one right now. I done scrambled this Rubik's Cube up, and we're gonna try and solve it. And I know exactly what you're thinking as well. Do you even know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Shut up! I could try! That's what YouTubers do. We're triers. Alright, we're gonna move the camera around a little bit. There we go, everything's good. Let's give this a try. It's actually kind of tight. Screwdriver. Let's loosen this up a bit so we can begin to solve it. Hey, now that's more like it. That was too loose. Get the hell back in there. That's what she said. All right, let's tighten it back up. Too tight. All right, let's loosen up a little bit more. All right, there we go.
2 hours later.
Having a little technical difficulties, please stand by. These are those fancy Rubik's Cubes too, so I think we can corner cut. Yeah! You look at that. We can corner cut this bad boy. Yeah! Still a little locky, so let's loosen it up just a little bit more. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, now that should do the trick. Okay, since we kind of messed the cube up, we're gonna do a little magic, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1! See, I solved it! See, Okay, I didn't solve it, I might have put it together. But in the explosion of pieces, we lost a piece. And I've looked everywhere for it. Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna mix it up very good. Even if it is missing a piece, I don't care. We're gonna still solve this, baby. We're gonna solve it like a boss. Okay, we've scrambled it, and even if there's a piece missing, we are gonna solve it. So let's bring the camera down here so you can get a good close look at the magic that's about to take place. Okay, good news, we found the missing piece. Now it's normal. Whew, that was close. It's a bit loose. Damn it! Okay guys, never fear. You know, if there's something difficult that you don't know how to solve, you can always look it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look up a step-by-step on how to solve a Rubik's Cube fully. This may take a while, so be patient.
"24 hours later."
Okay guys, after browsing on the internet for a while and learning the step-by-step on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I finally figured out the secret to solving a Rubik's Cube. Are you ready to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube on your own? Watch closely. It's solved!